Alright, so this is the next landscape project. This is a dead holly. It died this spring. It's supposed to be similar to that one there. It was green earlier this year and started to turn brown and died. So I'm going to replace it with this new one here. It's a Nelliar Stevens. And Rocky's out here helping me. What do you think, pup? How you doing? Yeah? Alright, so first thing first, get this out of the ground. Success. The tree is out of the ground. It's a very, very, very shallow root ball. A lot of long roots running the surface, and I think last year this got hit with a big storm, blew it over, probably broke some of these major roots, and consequently it didn't survive the long-term effects of those roots breaking. Here's the hole. Not a very deep hole. I'm gonna have to take all that dirt out of there, take this plant out of here. Might even have to replace some more bushes. Fun times ahead. Alright, the hole is gradually getting bigger. A couple piles of dirt there. I'm about 2 feet, maybe a foot and a half down. So I've got to go down that far. There's my helper. Rocky. Rocky. Over here, look. No. Rocky. Rocky. He's guarding against another dog. Rocky. Rocky. Alright, the hole is dug, and I put some of this good-natured Texas expanded shale to help prevent root rot. I've measured from the bottom of the hole to the top, and it should measure about as deep as this is. Dog's over here keeping guard. Rocky. Well, I got her in the ground. I'm gonna have to straighten it up a little bit. What I did was I cut down the sides of this pot, broke it open, leaned the tree from one side to the other, and slid it out of there. So it was right next to the hole. And I did one more measure and dropped her right in the hole here. We'll adjust it. We'll put some of this rejuvenator soil around the sides of the tree, and we'll give it a heavy-duty watering, and we should be done. Looking good right now. These bushes look really bad now. What do you think, puppy dog? He's happy. All right, final stages. We got the berm in there. I mixed the revitalizer soil with the original soil. Put that around the tree. The tree's looking good. Hopefully this good soaking here. It's been soaking for about 2 or 3 minutes. We'll fill that up, and then we'll water it daily here for the next week. And we'll see how things go. Hey Rocky, how you doing? Now here's a closer look at the root ball of the dead tree. When I squeeze this, this is all very mushy. It's falling apart. Some bad rot in here. I'm not sure what happened to this tree, but I think that's part of what killed it. Be hauling that in the back somewhere. Doing the cleanup right now. Got the trolley that I used to bring the new tree out here. There's a new tree there. Not very big, but we'll see. Signing off for now.